Hi champs, what's up? Your English Don is here. Ask me any question if you dare to. Today I'm going to answer another question, and this question has been sent by SM Sabbir Hussain. He says he is not smarter than I, or he is not smarter than me. Which one is correct? Different teachers and different books have different concepts regarding it. I'm really confused. Okay, Sabbir, Don is here to clarify you. Let's go. The first sentence, he is not smarter than I am. This is absolutely correct. And this one, he is not smarter than me. This sentence is also absolutely correct. What's the difference between these two? The first one, he is not smarter than I. You can say the full form this way: he is not smarter than I am. Okay, here we have he is, and here we have I am, means both of the part we have clause. Here we have a clause and here we have a clause. Clause means one subject and one verb. This is formal one. Especially in American English, you will see they use the subjective form. What about other form? The other form is he is not smarter than me. In spoken English, you will find frequently people say I'm taller than him, he is taller than me. This way they say, they do not say he is taller than I am. Formal one. Written English you can write this one, or especially in American English you can use it. But in British English, in colloquial English, in spoken English, people frequently use the objective form. Okay, so both of the sentences are correct. You can use either of them, but especially in written English you can use this one, but in colloquial English, in spoken English, you can use the objective form. Another thing you can ask me, or another question could be, what part of a speech is this here? Then this is actually a conjunction. Why? Because both of the part we have clause. Here we have a clause and also here we have a clause. What about this one? This part of the speech, this is not a conjunction here. This is a preposition. Why? Because here we have a pronoun. So preposition comes before noun or noun equivalent. Equivalent means it could be pronoun, it could be a noun phrase. Understood? So this is here, this is conjunction, and this one is here preposition. Very tricky. Same word but differently used in different sentences. So let's sum up your question. Which one is correct? Both are correct. Especially this one up to this I. In American English frequently you will find this one. In British English frequently you find this one in spoken language, but both of the sentences are correct. Hopefully you understood. If you didn't, then you can comment. Once again, I will try to clarify it. Okay, if you have any more questions, send it to me. I will try to answer your question. Last but not the least, love your country and do something for the humanity. Bye.